Well, today I'm putting Bryce to work. We are installing the brand new Aussie Traveller Antiflap Kit Pro.
I'm actually so excited because I'm getting so tired of the whip of the awning in the night with the wind. So this is going to stop all of that, and on the rainy days like today, it's going to prevent any pooling of water so that we don't lose our awning. We've also got their LED mini curved roof rafters, and they'll make a perfect pairing for the Antiflap Kit Pro. Alrighty, this is the kit. It comes with a heap of different pieces in order to suit all the different types of awnings. The Antiflap Kit Pro Plus does suit most rollout awnings and a lot of cassette awnings, but if you are unsure, make sure to get in contact with Caravan RV Camping and they can help you out. Alrighty.
I'm useless with instructions, so.
We're just winging it today.
The new kit is a 3-piece design and is 20% lighter than the previous ones.
It has a smart sail track design so you can put in your shade walls or your awning walls.
Don't mess it up.
No pressure now. A key to this is to make sure that your awning's set up so that the water can stream straight off of it, so that it's not open too far so that the water can pool in your awning at all. The last thing you want to do is be out for the day and have your awning disappear in the wind or collapse because of some rain.
Put a bit of silicone on there, make sure it doesn't leak.
We don't want any water leaks in the caravan. Perfect. Look at that, one done already. That didn't take long. The Antiflap kit clamps the end of the awning and makes sure it's super tight. And as you can see, just in here is the sail track so that you can chuck your sidewalls in. Well, that's the Aussie Traveller Antiflap Kit Pro Plus all installed. So now to get onto the mini curved roof rafters. We've drilled a couple of holes in the awning like we did on the Antiflap kit, and I've also put the hook brackets just under the awning up the top, and now we're ready to put them together. Another good thing about these is it actually feels like you've got like a raised ceiling. You don't have the awning hanging down, and it makes it feel a heap more spacious.
And a really cool feature is the LED lights that are battery powered.